How did our species go from wandering on all fours to engineering massive industrialized civilizations? This timeline charts the mechanical progression of human evolution, starting exactly 6 million years ago. That starting point is defined by this early hominid species, Sahelanthropus. At this baseline stage, our ancestors still moved primarily on all fours. The path from that ground-level existence to modern humanity happened through a strict sequence of biomechanical and cognitive upgrades. The first biological upgrade plots 4 million years ago, walking upright. By 3 million years ago, early humans used raw materials as tools. Fast forward to 800,000 years ago, we hit the discovery that accelerated our entire trajectory: the control of fire. Cooking food provided a massive caloric surplus, and harnessing heat allowed survival in harsher climates. That surplus energy went directly to the human brain, which evolved rapidly and enabled entirely new forms of complex social interaction. Mastering fire provided the biological catalyst required to build the complex neurological architecture we use today. With fire and advanced tools, what happened to competing hominid species at the 40,000-year mark? By 15,000 years ago, every other species went extinct, leaving only Homo sapiens. Jump to 10,000 years ago, when the first humans traded nomadic life for the plow. For millions of years, human existence required constant nomadic wandering to follow food sources. Now, populations stopped moving and put down permanent roots in the soil. Geographic stability meant that consecutive generations could stay in one place, allowing them to accumulate and compound their knowledge. Staying in one place for 10,000 years allowed humans to store grain, build cities, and refine their tools. By 250 years ago, this cumulative progress launched the Industrial Revolution, moving societies from rural farms to mechanized factories. This graph plots the immediate demographic result. By 1804, the global human population hit 1 billion. Only 123 years later, in 1927, that number doubled to 2 billion people living in increasingly packed cities. From the 1960s onward, the growth curve went nearly vertical, pushing the global population to the over 8 billion people we have today. The strict sequence of technological upgrades we followed accelerated our growth so efficiently that our physical footprint has now altered the entire planet. This massive industrial output is rapidly heating the atmosphere and the oceans. With biodiversity declining and sea levels rising, we are replicating the environmental conditions that caused previous mass extinctions. This flowchart maps our complete trajectory, starting on all fours, walking upright, breaking rocks, harnessing fire, outlasting competitors, planting crops, and finally industrializing to a population of 8 billion. We reach this point one technological step at a time. Surviving the climate threat we've built will require our most crucial cognitive upgrade yet: